Did my GoPro just fall off? Yes, it did. Good morning, everyone. If you have not already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the little bell. Videos every Tuesday and Friday, and the odd occasion we do the Sunday videos, which I've been smashing lately, so I'm giving myself a pat on the back. Well done, Tom. Okay, in today's video, I made a video a while ago about selling some silos. So our cows are out, and as you can see, we have lots and lots of silage. This morning I got a phone call at about 8 o'clock saying, have you got any to sell? Pick up at 10. So we do. I quickly put the sheet back, I've loaded our feeder up, and then we're going to go and get this sold. We're selling about 20 tons at about the £35 an acre, £35 a ton mark. I don't know if I should be telling people that, but hey ho, that's what we're selling it at. £35 a ton, and hopefully it'll be good stuff and they want to come back for some more, because grass is growing really well this year, as everyone probably knows. Probably going to fill this up again, so we get rid of this, it would be great. I have loaded up the feeder, that's why I'm running about. I'm getting a bit out of breath. I think it's going to be in like 2 minutes. Grab ready to go, and then I've fed these little ones as well. These guys seem to be enjoying it. We're still speeding a little bit of Trafford, meal and silo, just mixed together until the Trafford runs out, and then we probably won't buy any more Trafford after that. Megan and Kate still loving life. It's all going on, and Bailey's has just turned up. Anyone who has noticed the cow that is there, living with 3 heifers, back end of March, she was struggling on her feet and she had a bad foot. I couldn't just get it right, so we decided it was quite nice, so we chucked her out, put 3 beef calves on her, and she's doing really well. So I'm going to jump into here. That's the story about the cow outside. Some people have noticed it. I think only one person noticed it, but there you go. Everyone will notice it now. Now I'm going to jump to here and load him up. Up now, just started. We're going to start at the back, and then I'm going to do a bit at the front, and then we'll do the middle at the end, because my logic is, which might not be right, my logic is that if you fill at each side, the middle will fill up on itself. So if I'm going to fill the middle later, that's no problem, but if you fill the middle up, it won't work as well. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. When I say that to myself, I'm thinking, I could actually be wrong with that statement. Who knows? I think we're going to have a few loads in this, because it's quite a big wagon. Well, it's only a 20-ton wagon. Get rid of 20 ton, 35 quid a ton. You're looking at 700 quid for all that silage. I don't know if that's a good deal, a bad deal. Who knows? Did my GoPro just fall off? Yes, it did. Is anyone surprised? No, because I'm trying to speak to a GoPro, drive a drone, and drive a Manitou at the same time. 20 tons of silo. We got it all on with the manatee. I'm driving the drone at the same time. He's put the tarp on. It doesn't really fit, but at least it'll stay on-ish. So I thought we'd be 2 grabs into it, but actually I was started to about here, went to there, and you'll see that I've left that top bit because I've not done the top there. I thought that they don't want to have that top. I can just fork that off later on. It's no problem for me. I'm happy to do so. But that is the end of the video. So we sold some silo. I think we have a lot more silo to sell, probably. So we've done 1 grab worth, and I've still got 2.5 bays, and cows are out. We're not going to silo till May, middle of May-ish time. So we've got lots to sell. If James Bailey wants to buy some more, he definitely can, because I've got more to sell. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel, get your TP merch at pembertonfarmshop.co.uk/TP merch. If you can't just buy it yet, I haven't sorted PayPal out. I've messaged them a few times, and hopefully we can sort it out, but you can buy it on bank transfer. So guys, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you found this quite interesting. A little bit different today. Guys, thank you very much. I will see you in a bit. See you later.